Welcome to Men Talk Live. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Tonight, we are asking the ultimate question that has haunted humanity since the dawn of time. We aren't asking how people die of diseases. Tonight, we are asking a deeper, purely biological question. Why does the human body have to die at all? If our cells are constantly regenerating, if our skin replaces itself every 27 days, and our skeleton rebuilds every 10 years, why don't we live forever? What is the hidden, unyielding master clock inside our DNA that forces the human machine to degrade, break down, and ultimately expire? Today, we are pulling back the evolutionary curtain. I am going to reveal the 4 fatal mechanical reasons why your body is hardwired to shut down, and the science-backed protocol to slow down this internal countdown. Do not look away from this broadcast. Mechanically, your body does not die by accident. It dies by design. In biology, there is a fundamental law known as the Hayflick Limit. Discovered in 1961, it proved that human cells are not immortal. They are programmed to divide only 40 to 60 times before they commit cellular suicide. Evolution has prioritized the survival of the species over the survival of the individual. If organisms lived forever, genetic stagnation would occur, and life could not adapt to a changing planet. Therefore, death was written into our code as a mechanical necessity to allow for new genetic combinations. Your body is built with a literal biological expiration date. This expiration date is not a mystery. It is driven by 4 distinct destructive mechanisms operating inside your tissue right now. Mechanism number 1, telomere erosion, the shoelace effect. Inside every cell, your DNA is packed into chromosomes. At the tips of these chromosomes are protective caps called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips at the end of a shoelace. Every single time your cells divide to heal you, these telomeres get shorter. When they run out completely, the DNA frays, the cell can no longer divide and it dies. This is the literal countdown timer of human life. Mechanism number 2, the rise of zombie cells, cellular senescence. When a cell reaches its division limit but refuses to die, it becomes a zombie cell. Instead of functioning, it sits in your tissue, secreting high levels of toxic pro-inflammatory chemicals that corrupt and destroy the healthy surrounding cells, accelerating systemic organ failure. Mechanism number 3, mitochondrial decay. Your cells run on energy produced by your mitochondria, but as a byproduct of producing energy, they generate cellular exhaust called free radicals. Over decades, this oxidative exhaust leaks, damaging the mitochondria themselves. Your cellular power plants slowly burn out, leaving your organs with zero mechanical energy to repair their daily wear and tear. Mechanism number 4, systemic glycation, the stiffening of life. Over time, the sugars you consume chemically bind to your body's proteins and collagen. This process, called glycation, creates structural crosslinks that turn your once elastic arteries, lungs, and tissues into stiff, brittle plastic. Your organs mechanically lose the ability to expand and contract, leading to inevitable cardiovascular collapse. We cannot eliminate the biological clock, but science proves we can drastically slow down the ticks. You can protect your telomeres and clear out the damage. Here is your longevity protocol. Nutrient number 1, autophagy activation, the self-cleaning protocol. To clear out the toxic zombie cells, you must activate autophagy, your body's internal recycling system. This is achieved mechanically through prolonged intermittent fasting, 18 to 24 hours, which forces your body to consume and destroy its own damaged proteins and senescent cells for fuel. Nutrient number 2, astragalus and telomerase support. Certain botanical compounds, specifically astragalus extract, have been shown in clinical trials to support the enzyme telomerase, which helps maintain the length of your shortest telomeres, protecting your DNA from early fraying. Nutrient number 3, high-dose antioxidants, the exhaust cleansers. To stop mitochondrial decay, you must neutralize the free radical exhaust. Consuming high-quality molecular antioxidants like resveratrol, CoQ10, and molecular hydrogen shields your cellular power plants from self-destruction. Nutrient number 4, the advanced glycation block, carnosine. The amino acid L-carnosine acts as a molecular decoy. It absorbs excess sugars in your bloodstream, preventing them from binding to your collagen and keeping your arteries and organs mechanically elastic as you age. Death is written into our biology, but so is the incredible power of resilience, adaptation, and healing. By understanding the code of your body, you don't just add years to your life, you add vibrant, energetic life to your years. Before we close tonight's medical briefing, does knowing the cellular reasons behind aging change how you treat your body today? Let's start an honest, deep conversation in the comments below. If you found this broadcast valuable, click the like button, share it with someone who loves the deep science of longevity, and subscribe to Men Talk Live. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Honor your biological machinery, and I will see you in our next deep dive.